So solving number 3, we need to use the key node. So whenever the cube of x is the same as x raised to the power of half. And if we square a square root, we eliminate the square root. And we're going to use some of these expressions in the formula. Okay. In order to take off the square root, we have to square the equation. So we're going to use rule number 2. So we're going to use rule number 2. So if we square the left side, we need to obey the equal sign and square the right side. The square and the square root will dissolve. The square will dissolve the square root. And the right side is left with 3 minus x plus x squared. And the right side, x minus 2 squared is the same as key rule number 4. So that, if we expand that, we're going to get this. So that will become x squared minus 2 ax. Our b here is 2 and our a is x. So it's going to be 2x plus x. So we're using this formula. X will be our a, and then b will be 2. So that will be b squared will be negative 2 plus 2 squared. We're going to rearrange the equation. This will become x squared. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4x. And 2 squared is 4. We're going to rearrange the left side. X squared minus x plus 3. Looking on both sides, we're going to see what's common. We can see positive x squared and positive x squared is common. So we can cancel those. What else is common? We don't really have that. So we're going to label variables, constants, variable, constants. So we're going to remove all the variables on one side and the constants on the other side. So let's take off the variable to the right. So to take negative 4x to the right, we take it by using the opposite. The opposite of negative 4x is positive 4x. And we're going to do that same with the variables. We're going to add 4x. So if we add those two, it's out. Negative x same as negative 1x. If we add in negative 1 and positive 4, 4 is greater than 1. Answer is positive. 4 minus 1 is 3x. We drop down the plus 3. And we drop down 4. So we have 3x plus 3 equals 4. You can go ahead and label it again. We have a constant, and a variable. So our constants are still all on the other side. We need to subtract 3 on both sides. And we'll drop down 3x. This cancels. 4 minus 3 is 1. We're still a little for x. So At this point, we have our variables and constants separated, so we're left with a coefficient of x, which is 3, and we can divide both sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1, x equals to 1/3. 1x is 1/3. Thanks and good luck.